Now children, come to the chapter 12, which is called Smart Charts. Now Minnie did a project on the fruits. She asked her friends about the likings of the fruits. She used tally marks to record each answer. Now for example, when someone said mango, she put one line like this as shown in the slide. Again, another friend of her tells mango, she adds another line right like this, making a right angle, isn't it? Thus by this sign she means 5 mangoes, a complete square 1, 2, 3, 4 and diagonally one line, which means that there are 5 mangoes. Got it? That means 5 friends of them, 5 friends of Minnie have told that they like mangoes. So she made the tally marks like this. So in this way you can use the tally marks and make the project of yours. See, these are certain fruits: orange, grape, pomegranate, Now children, come to the chapter 12, which is called Smart Charts. Now see the tally marks. She has obtained this table by asking her friends. Now in the left side, the fruits, the names of the fruits are here. In between, tally mark, and what are the actual numbers her friends like, it is written over in the rightmost. Now look at for the mangoes, the first fruit is mango. Now she made how many tally marks? So each box, each square box with the diagonally one line, that means 5. So how many are like this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 5s are 25. So 25 friends of Minnie like mangoes, and she wrote it like this. Now the next fruit, apple. Now children count it. How many 5s are here? 3. So 5 3s are 15. And another square box, it means 4. So 15 plus 4 is 19. So she wrote again 19. So 19 friends of Minnie like apples. Now come to melon. How many 5 are children here? There are again 3. So 3 5s are 15 and another extra 1. So 15 plus 1 is 16. So 16 friends of Minnie like melons. Now come to cucumbers. Now children, see how many 5s are here? There are 4 5s. So 5 4s are 20. So 20 is the number of the friends of Minnie who like cucumbers. Okay. So she wrote immediately 20. Then how many oranges? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many 5s are here? 5. So 5 5s are 25. And another one square box is there, which means 4. So 25 plus 4 is 29. So she wrote again 29. The grapes, how many 5s are here? 2. So 5 2s are 10. And another 3 here. So this is 10 plus 3, 13. So 13 is the number of friends that Minnie's friends who like grapes. Now come to pomegranates. Pomegranates here, only 5 children were like a 5. One 5 is there and another 4. So 5 plus 4, 9. Okay, and the bananas, how many 5s are here? There are 3 5, that is 15, and 2 extra, that is 15 plus 2, 17. Immediately she wrote all the numbers. So children, you can also do the project of this fruits, how many of your friends like the different fruits? Make the tally mark. Like Minnie. Wow, she has done excellently. Now children, after studying the tally marks of the table of tally marks, just give the answers of these questions. Which is the most favorite fruit in this table? Which is the least favorite fruit in this table? Now children, tell me, which is the most favorite fruit in this table? I think mangoes or oranges. Find out that. Which is the least favorite fruit in this table? Pomegranate or grapes? Look at the table and find out. Which is your favorite fruit? Find out that and think of. So do a table with the tally marks about the likings of the subjects of your friends. Now come to liking of the different fruits by the children. Now you can make this type of chart also. Foods liked by you. Pulao and or fried rice. What are the number of children here? 10. Mutton biryani, 48 children like. Chili chicken, 25 number of children. Matar paneer, 15. Chana bhatura, 2. Now children, on the basis of the figure, which is on the basis of the chart given by the children, the foods liked by them, I have made here the chapati chart, or Minnie has made here the chapati chart. Now children, you see which portion refers which food. Select it and write down. Now here you children, you find out there are total how many children? There are total, you have to first count it, how many children are here. 100 children. Now out of 100 children, 48 like which food? You write down. That means 48 is the maximum part, so it is shown in the green portion of 100. The total circle means the total 100. So the green portion, it is the maximum part, and it is written here 48. So it is the maximum part. So you can write, you can in the chapati chart, you can make it in a circle. Now children, come to another chart, another smart chart. It is here written hot and cold. That means it is you have to find out the temperature. It is the temperature chart of the 4 cities: Shimla, Delhi, Kolkata and Maharashtra. Okay. Now you listen. This is the temperature record on 1st June 2008. 2007. Okay, not 8. 1st June 2007. The temperature here, it is shown in degrees Celsius. 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. As you go up, it is increasing by 5. And here, this is a bar chart. This is also called a bar chart. Now, Shimla shows 20 degrees Celsius on 1st June. This green bar represents Shimla. So here you see it touches 20 degrees Celsius. It touches the margin of 20 degrees Celsius. So its temperature is 20 degrees Celsius. So from the chart itself, you can read what is the information it is giving. Now Delhi here, the red bar, you can easily see, you can easily visualize the red bar which represents the city Delhi, and it records 46 degrees Celsius on 1st June 2007. Okay, just above 45. Look at the bar chart clearly. Then come to Kolkata. It is 34 degrees Celsius. Now look at Here it is below 35 there is 34. Just below 35 it is 34 and it is the violet chart, violet bar graph of Kolkata. This is the violet bar graph of Kolkata. It is 34 degrees Celsius. And again another violet bar graph, it is for Maharashtra. Now tell me what is the temperature it is shown. Just look at the table. Now come here children. This is the bar graph of 1st December 2000. Now children, after seeing this bar chart, give me the answers of these questions. Which city is the hottest on 1st of June? Which city is the coldest on 1st of December? What are the different temperatures of different cities on 1st of June and 1st of December? So what are the different temperatures you can easily find out from the bar graph? I'll show you. Now come to make this family tree. Look at Minnie. Minnie went to her uncle's wedding ceremony along with her parents. She met many relatives there, but she didn't know everybody. She met her mother's grandfather, but found that her grandmother is not alive. Again she found that her grandmother's mother is still alive. She gets confused. So her mother made a family tree for her. Now look at the Minnie's family tree. Now it is Minnie. Minnie's mother is Maya. Minnie's father and Minnie's mother. Okay. Now Minnie's mother has Maya has her mother, that is Maya's mother and Maya's father. Again Maya's father or you can tell here Maya's mother, that is Maya's Nani. From Maya's mother's mother, it is Maya's Nani. Maya's mother's father, that is Maya's Nana. Got it? Now, Maya's father's mother, that is Maya's Dadi. Maya's father's father, that is Maya's Dada. Or you can tell Minnie's grandpa. So in this way you can make your own family tree. You can put again Maya's. Now children, after seeing this family tree, come to this answer. Answer these questions. How many great grandparents in all does Minnie have? That means the generation you have to find out. How many grandparents in all does Maya have? Maya is the mother of Minnie. Again, how many great grandparents in all does Minnie have? How many elders will be in the 7th generation of her family? If she takes her family tree forward, in which generation will she find 130 elders? Now come to another part. This is growth chart of Minnie. Minnie measures her height as per the chart below. Now she showed the growth chart in the graph. The vertical position shows the height of Minnie, and the horizontal it is shown the months, the different months. She added the different heights. Now answer these questions. Between which months did the height of Minnie change most? You find out from the growth chart. What could be her height after 12 months? Make your own growth chart of next 12 months. Thank you. Thank you, children. So Minnie has learnt what she is telling. Let's see. Try more charts. Have a good day.